Hi there traders, today we discuss one of the traders' favorite topic, top 3 patterns to work out. Watch this video till the end where we give a piece of advice how to work out patterns correctly. And don't forget to subscribe for the channel. What are the patterns? Patterns are formations on the graph of the instrument where the price predictably behaves itself, giving us opportunity to get profit. However, other patterns are really so profitable or their meaning is overestimated. In fact, as you see, there are dozens of patterns. However, it's not enough just to learn out all of them and trade them. It doesn't work like this. But let's talk about those patterns that are relevant in scalping, and let's talk what we should combine them with to work out and get profit. Patterns mostly work out due to common market expectations. Among the participants of the movement there are retailers or small players and huge players. And some patterns are traded by enormous number of market participants, creating very strong moving power. The more the pattern is clear, the better it works out, because every trader watching this instrument will try to participate. How we shouldn't trade patterns? We shouldn't trade patterns perceiving them as the only analytical factor. Relying on just a pattern is a huge mistake. Many beginners take a pattern as a basis for decision making, and the probability of working out is just 50-50, the same as trading based on coin flipping. The professional trader's decision-making process is always based on several factors, no less than 3. It's a principle of table that can't stand on just 1 or 2 legs. And first of all, for scalper, it's the reading of order book. Let's concentrate only on those patterns that are popular in scalping. Horizontal levels breakout, triangle, and slow breakout. These 3 patterns are the favorite scalpers' patterns, and you shouldn't invent a bicycle but just trade these patterns. However, as I said, we should accumulate several factors to work out a setup, and the pattern is just a first factor on which basis we select the setup. Let's see the examples. Here we see the example of the triangle. The pattern is very clear, and this is only the first factor. The second factor is the huge limit orders that are pushing the price towards the breakout of this slope. And the last factor is volatility and high volumes. As you see, there was a really huge movement, and this signal worked out and bring more than $400. Another example, again, very clear formation, several touches to the level, very high activity of the tape, and very high volumes. There are 3 factors that tell us that this pattern is ready for workout. And finally, as you see, the workout in the progress. Always choose several factors for decision-making process. The pattern you choose only the first factor, the factor of selecting the setup. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video was of great interest and use.